Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix an iPhone hotspot that's not working. So let's get started. First, make sure iPhone actually has mobile data working. So you should see the 5G at the top beside the battery percent. Then open a browser such as Safari or Chrome and try loading any website. If the page doesn't load, try moving to a different location where the signal may be stronger. If mobile data still isn't working, you may need to contact your network provider since the issue could be on their end. If your mobile data is working fine, the next step is to open your settings app and tap on personal hotspot. Make sure personal hotspot is turned on. This is a simple thing, but it's often the reason why other devices can't connect. While staying on this page, scroll down and turn on Maximize Compatibility. So you may see a note saying this can reduce connection performance, but if the hotspot isn't working at all, it's definitely worth enabling. So this option makes your hotspot available on a wider range of connection bands, which helps older or less compatible devices detect and connect to it. After turning that on, test the hotspot again. If it's still not working, the next thing to do is force restart your iPhone. So to do this, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button. Keep holding it even after the screen turns black and only release when you see the Apple logo appear. So this refreshes your iPhone system and can often clear temporary hotspot glitches because it will shut off the recording. So yeah. Now once your iPhone turns back on, head back to the personal hotspot page. So go to settings and test it again. If the problem continues, go back into settings and tap on general, then tap about. At the top, click on your name. So try changing your iPhone's name by adding a number, a letter, or removing part of the current name. Then save the changes. After that, go back to personal hotspot, turn it off, wait for a few seconds, and turn it back on. So changing the device name can sometimes refresh how your hotspot is broadcast to nearby devices. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.